Getting it for free.
The destination is on your left.
Dang, that was a precedent. Oh shoot. Hey guys, this is Tua, and I'm in California. Been here for about 2.5 months. Want to share with you guys something very exciting, and I am on my way to that very exciting thing. This is the treasure. It is a MR2 turboed with custom fabrication bodyworks onto it. And guess what? Getting it for free. You wanna check the interiors? Let's see the interiors. You see the interiors? Still pretty clean. Alright, let's go talk.
Oh shit! Oh shit! How bad is it? Oh, I cut.
Oh snap! There's more MR2 stuff in here. Sweet. Guys, I'll be taking this treasure back home to NC. I'm planning to restore this MR2, and once I get all the social media created, I will be posting the progress there. Make sure you guys follow me and find out the social media account. That way you guys can see the progress. Make sure you guys like and share this video. That way everyone can enjoy it. If you guys would like to be a part of this, make sure you guys DM me. All donations will go to this vehicle.